Save time and money by using Manea's convenient all-in-one tool to search for turnkey products for your e-commerce store. Manea is more than just a product search tool. It's an all-in-one ad spy tool that supports a wide range of platforms, including Facebook ads, Instagram influencer ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, stores ads, affiliate ads. But that's not all. Manea also allows you to discover the top ads in your niche, giving you inspiration for your own campaigns. By using Manea, you can uncover the marketing strategies behind the success of the top players in your field, giving you a competitive edge. In just 2 clicks, Manea can select high-potential products for you, so you don't have to spend hours scrolling through Facebook looking for ideas. With a strong experience in e-commerce, Manea's team is well equipped to provide you with the insights you need to succeed in the competitive world of online advertising. So why waste time scrolling through endless ads and trying to piece together a winning strategy? With Manea, you can easily find the best products to pitch to all your traffic sources and put the odds in your favor. With its all-in-one tool, Manea saves you time and money by providing an easy way to find high-potential products with just a few clicks. With Manea, you can take action and make your advertising efforts more profitable. And uncover the marketing strategy behind the success of your competitors in your niche. You can take inspiration from top marketers. And with its strong experience in e-commerce, Manea's teams provide you with key statistics to help you make informed decisions about your product choices. Save time and money by using Manea's convenient all-in-one tool to search for turnkey products for your e-commerce store. In just 2 clicks, Manea can select high-potential products for you, so you don't have to spend hours scrolling through Facebook looking for ideas. With Manea, you can take action and make your advertising efforts more profitable. What are you waiting for? Get it now and take 20% off using the coupon code